Tonight, tonight, seniors, this is about you. And very rarely do we put an emphasis on a group or a bunch of players. But, the crowd is already joined. It's already coming. They're already filing in. And I've never seen them here this early. And I think it's an appreciation towards you all. I think it's appreciation what you've done for this program. And I think you've earned it and you deserve it. Okay, so teammates, your job tonight is to support your seniors the best we can. To give them the best show, our fans the best show for these seniors that we can provide. And when we do that, we will dance like there's no tomorrow. We will celebrate to the end. We will make tonight last forever because we're doing it for these guys who have given so much. Okay, so let's go and support these guys. Let's go! Is this Backstreet Boys? Who is this?
No. His name's Jay Sean. I don't know.
No. Okay. You just wave. I understand.
What's up,
Rockin'. Just rocking and a rollin'. I mean, I feel like I could be in this boy band. I can't sing because it's on the mic. You look awfully cute.
You figured senior night?
It's too bad I can't date a staff member. We'll stay here a little longer this time. Check this out.
Check it out.
Pretty cool. When they finish, I'll give you the ball, and we'll hug, and then we'll give it back to me. All right, here.
Thank you.
We'll walk this way. Wave. Thank you. I don't want to block your view of the flag.
Presenting today's colors, the combined Army Air Force
With my massive guns.
And performing today's national anthem, Ohio Basketball Zone, Jenny Poff.
Watch the dump. Midge, watch the dump. We're just giving Midge a little bit too much of a workout here. They're going to front the A, so let's go with that little back quick thing that you guys do once in a while to Ellen. Those Unos are rough. I mean, even the ones to Ellen. That's why I ran that D, is because I don't want to see another Uno. That's a good Uno. That's a good one. So you got two. If it's an easy one and she doesn't stick it, just give her a 2. Be meaner. Hey, that's 3 of 4. Let's make them earn it. That's 3 of 4. Tight, get her safe. Okay, so when we get those opportunities, we score. Okay, we side out each time, we score. Pile it on.
Here we go,
The crowd's just not getting into it because we keep letting them off the hook. They keep waiting for like a big block, a big kill or something, and we have a missed serve. We need a Katie Post 5-point serve run with a block and an ace. We need to get at these guys so we can get them into it. Let's just quit letting them off the hook. We let them off the hook with an out-of-system net, then a hitting error. Okay, no more off the hook. They make them earn it. Okay, we don't give them any more.
Here we go! Ohio! Yeah, good run. Here we go, Ohio!
If we got that point, I was going to have you go serve. I was just waiting until she finished serving to say that. No, I'm kidding. I really was going to have you serve.
Hard ball to hit.
We work on that a lot. That's our Monday and Tuesday morning drill, or early drill.
That was a leap of faith.
A leap of faith. Barring a big point run, this is Simon's big chance to serve coming up. Get a dig, Megan. Ball side.
I was so nervous.
to side out. I mean, that's going to be our biggest goal. We've been trying to be above 65 to 70% all year, and we've hit that in a lot of matches, but not in some games. And I think when we're hitting that in sets, we're winning those sets by more than 2-3 points. Let's have you guys come out here. Sarah, you're the best. It's been a pleasure. It's like they're not watching back there. Great job. Pleasure. You're the best. You're the best. Head down that way. All right, let's get all you guys for some pictures. Kids together. Do you want to say, and with Miami's win, clinched a share of the conference championship?
Do we know they won?
Yeah. Jason, Miami won?
Miami beat Western 3-2.
So we've clinched a share of the conference championship. Special announcement, you can tell. Hey, guys. Listen up. All right, you guys, come on out. Hugs, hugs.